Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about drawing various kind of shapes and working with shapes. So in previous tutorial, we have learned how you can create bullet list, how you can create links, how you can copy and paste your data. So let's get back to our new slide and let's add some shape here. If you want to draw something, then you can go to this drawing section and there are multiple options related to drawing. First one is shapes. So click on to this drop down arrow button and you will find many shapes. So here it is rectangle, here it is rounded rectangle, and so on. So these all shapes can be useful if you need it. So select any shape. For example, I am selecting this smiley and so smiley is added to my presentation. I am increasing smile of this smiley. I am removing this list first. So now I have a smiley. And I am adjusting its size. Now here are some options related to shape fill. Which color width you want to fill your shape. So you can select it by here. So now I have just changed my color from blue to orange. So here is outline. What is your shape outline? So currently my color is blue. I want to give it to red or some purple. As you can see, it will have now purple outline. So this is shape fill and shape outline. Now if you want to duplicate this shape, same shape, then select your shape and click on to this duplicate button. So it will generate duplicate copy of my shape. So I am putting it on other side of this presentation slide. Here it is arrange menu. So if I put my one shape over another and if I want to arrange particular shapes, like I want to send back this shape, then I can click on to the send back button and it will be go to back. And there are other options like bring to front and it will come in front. So there is another option like bring forward, send backward, flip vertical or flip horizontal also. So this was flip horizontal and let's flip vertical. So now it is vertically flipped. Now let's add one more shape, heart. So I am adjusting size of this heart. And my heart is added. As I said, you can fill up your shape with some color using this shape fill. I am selecting this red because red is the color of heart. You can also stylize your shape using these quick styles. So select particular style and that style will be applied to your shape. Now if you want to write something in your shape, then just double click onto shape and there will be a cursor. So I am selecting white as a color and start writing. This is heart shape. You can increase size of your font by using from this font menu. Now text is added to my heart shape. I'm just increasing little bit of size of this heart shape, and that's it. So this is about adding and inserting various kind of drawings and shapes into your presentation slide. Thank you very much.